Hey guys, happy Halloween to each and every single one of you, and thank you so much for 150 subscribers. I've made posts about it in the past, but we're a little past 150 now, and it is absolutely awesome. And this Halloween, I wanted to do something special for your guys' support. And so that's what this video is today. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you enjoy the audio. And if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you like my content, hit subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye. Hey, babe. I made dinner. Because of my mysterious blood illness, I've been hiding from the sun and bored all day. So I cleaned the spare room and look, I found my old hacky sack. No, I just couldn't sleep today. I'll crash tomorrow, don't worry. No, honey, what's wrong? Is it the review board again? Don't worry, those guys, they can tell plasma apart from a blood sample, so they'll just micromanage. Ugh, come here. Mwah. Let's grab some food and we'll sit on the couch. I went on the internet and made some fancy French thing. And mac and cheese, which is fancy and goes with everything. What? Hold the mac and cheese. No, no, I respect that. If you want to miss out on my artistic vision, that's up to you. But I'm getting extra and you're going to be so jealous. And if some mysteriously goes missing, well, I can find the strength to look the other way. Did I guess wrong about the review board? I'm getting the feeling that's not what's bothering you. No, no, I would never make fun of you. You can tell me. Vampire's Honor. What is that? You found a... Babe, you've had a few gray hairs since the shovel accident when we were kids. It's a weird and lovable quirk. I still remember the fallout from that. Eesh. Spencer's mom almost killed him. Yeah, fuck Spencer. I hope he steps on a Lego today. Oh, you are so right. Matchbox cars are so much worse. I hope he steps on two. What? No, I think you have the same amount as before. Oh, no, baby, no, I know. I know this has been hard. I think it's been harder on you, honestly, but you would never have to worry about that. Babe, I got turned last year, and before that, I was a year younger than you, so I'll always be 1 year younger than you. Vampire age is like bitten age, plus time as a vampire. Oh, you're going to challenge the expert on the topic? Bad idea. Good way to get yourself totally embarrassed. Unless it's the other way around, where I stay the same age and slowly turn you into my hot older girlfriend. Maybe my evil plan is to corrupt you into corrupting me. Oh, oh, baby. Oh, no. I made you sad when I was just trying to make you laugh. I'm sorry. Let me make it up to you. No, of course it doesn't bother me. I know you're going to get older while we look for a solution to all this, but I don't think it's going to take as long as you think. You keep forgetting about my hot scientist girlfriend who is completely brilliant and can solve anything. Look, I wouldn't have picked vampirism as our big relationship crisis, but I think we'll be okay. I mean, look at all you've done already. We thought we were gonna have a problem with my bloodlust, right? And then you go to your lab with some of my blood, stir up mysterious liquids, and voila. Turns out you just need to stab me with some iron once a week. Yeah, iron silver alloy and a plasma suspension, which is very different, but still. You figured all that out because you're brilliant. We'll have me cured in no time. Yes, I like to think I've contributed a lot to this project. Remember those snacks I've been bringing you? They don't just appear out of thin air. I'm the only thing in this house that can do that. And you're pretty lucky. Now that I can't go out during the day, you have a sugar baby and a sexy lab assistant, and I haven't even asked for compensation. Well, if you had to pay me back, there's a perfectly good nurse costume in our closet. I know it's for Halloween, but we both know it's a waste to wear something only once. And you're giving me injections every week now. I mean, come on, the cheesy adult scene practically writes itself. It's pretty much fate at this point. Do you really want to mess with fate at a time like this? Ow, hey, there's that smile. I love to see it. Mwah. Come on, let's cuddle on the couch. We've barely snuggled down and you're already stealing my mac and cheese. Oh, I'm glad you like it. Here, trade plates with me. Aha, got you. Now the tables have turned and I'm stealing from you. Not my fault you fell right into my trap. If you wanted to avoid mac and cheese theft, you should have thought of that. I do see all the work you've been doing, though, sweetheart. Can I say you're a lifesaver? It's not too corny. I'll rein it in, then. You know, I know I never said it, but... Well, out loud at least, but... I know you didn't sign up for... I know there's so much I can't do that I used to be able to, and so much that we can't do. It's like you're that guy who had to push the rock up the mountain, and, well, what if now I'm the rock, when I used to be the thing that helped you move the rock? No, very funny. Other vampires are good with words because they have to enthrall and seduce and hypnotize people. Can you imagine if vampires trying to enthrall you and they're just stumbling over every other word? No self-respecting victim would put up with that. Not in the 21st century anyways. But I don't have to worry about hypnotizing you. Unless you wanted me to. If there was like a night you couldn't sleep or a research paper you really didn't want to write. Always so cautious, babe. This has given you so much grief. We may as well see if it could help you relax. Speaking of, let's just take the night off. No lab work, no boring tomes, just the two of us on this couch. We can finally watch your show, and I'll even give you a heating pad under my shirt, so it'll be nice and warm when you fall asleep. Oh, we both know you're totally going to fall asleep on me. I give you half an episode, and that's a stretch. You've just been working so hard. You don't have to. No, what I mean is you don't... I'm not trying to get all it's my dark burden on you, but what if I get other symptoms? Oh no, I would never go full Bela Lugosi, or whatever her name is. I know that's not allowed. Plus, we've stocked enough crossbows in this house for a tiny army. I know you hate them, baby, but I'd rather you be safe. What I meant was, what if the iron stops working? Or if I get a new vampiric trait, and then You have to stop everything and find the new solution. And how many times is that going to happen? I don't want you to spend your life fixing my problems. I used to fix our problems before the problem was... Oh, that barely counts. And besides, hunting down arcane texts it's not a bad way to spend a Tuesday night. Plus, guess who found a creepy mysterious coin in a crypt last week? Yeah, of course I took it with me. You can't get cursed if you're already cursed. That's like rule number 1. If you keep discounting my expert opinion, I'm going to be very cross. Oh, hilarious. Let's make a crucifix joke to the vampire. Are my most embarrassing symptoms a joke to you? Well, that's going to cost you. I'm coming for that mac and cheese. No, you can't do anything about it now. You've sealed your fate. No, give it. Give. Come on. I do worry about you, though, baby. You're doing so much for me, and I mean, maybe we've both been thinking it. What if you and I... No, hey, I would never leave you. What I meant was, what if we took things long distance for a while? Don't look at me like that. Hear me out. If I went somewhere across the world, your days and my nights could be the same. I could look for more tomes there, and I know what my voice does to you. Or what if... I mean, it's only been a couple months, but I'm fine. I seem fine, and yeah, I managed to impale that vampire who jumped us, but even before I killed him, I didn't feel very thrally. So what if I just turn you and we live a sexy immortal life together? Good point. Plus, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Not when your skin burns off from sunshine and rainbows. I swear, is my whole condition just entertainment for you? I have a very rare and serious blood disorder. And it's affecting you too. You had to give up garlic. Garlic. Well, yeah, at first it was in solidarity, which was very sweet, by the way, but once you found out you had to stop if you wanted me to keep going down on you, I don't know if you had much of a choice after that. I would never brag, baby. If anything, I feel bad. This is going to sound awful, but I may have secretly hoped my head game would ruin you for every other person, but I never wanted to get in between you and garlic. That's just cruel. Even if the garlic weren't an issue, the vampiric emptiness feels weird sometimes. I mean, I can always feel it, but some days are worse than others. I just don't want you to have to feel it. But maybe sexy immortality could be a backup plan, especially as we figure out how to manage the side effects. Well, you'd better pinky swear, because I'm not letting you forget I came up with a good idea. Come here, let's watch your show, or, pretend to. After all that work to distract you from the whole aging thing, now you're back on it? I wasn't kidding. You can age all you want. Seriously, it's not a problem. I've had a thing for older women since elementary school. Hey, you leave Miss Newsom out of this. She was a pillar of the community and very alluring in a mature type of way. Babe, you can't be a cradle robber. You've got an undead girlfriend. If anything, that just makes you a grave robber, and that's a completely victimless crime. It's barely a misdemeanor. How? I can with the hands on the test subject. What would the review board say? Oh god. No, stop. Baby, you are so fucking perfect. Yeah, babe. Of course we're gonna be alright. Between your brilliant research and my unbelievably dumb luck, we can't fail. We're practically a power couple. Oh, absolutely, the dumbest luck on the planet. I get vampire powers, kill a vampire, and I found a silver dollar on the same day. And a few years before that, I convinced you to go out with me. That's dumber luck than anyone alive. I should buy a lottery ticket. No, I should buy all the lottery tickets. See, that's why you're the brains of this operation, and I'm the stone cold muscle. I'll just buy one then. So little faith in me. I think I've proved I can pick them. Come here. Hey, I know we were going to watch your show, but I know that look. Do you just want to go to sleep on my chest? Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Here, let's switch positions. This old couch is too comfy. How dare you? We are never gonna get rid of this couch. Where's the heating pad? Yeah. We'll figure it all out, baby. Everything's gonna be alright. My brilliant girl.